Hello everyone. Hopefully this one will work. This week you'll begin the profile essay. You'll be doing the invention activities and doing an interview on a person. Those are the only things that you will be submitting to me as writing. If you look below here, you have the invention exercise, interview questions and answers. You will be reading pages 53 through 74 of your guide. Here are two different examples of what a profile essay looks like. One of the things I do want to point out is that in your book with the invention exercises, sometimes it refers to events or activities. You will not be doing that. What you will be doing is you will be interviewing someone who is connected with your future occupation. Now, if you have no idea as to what you may want to do in the future, or you have not declared a major, think about somebody that you would like to interview that's interesting, perhaps in a workplace. But you must do an interview of a person. It will not be an event, and it will not be a place or an activity. That's the difference between what is in the book and what I want you to do. If you go here and click on here, it will bring up what the profile essay is. Now, you will not be writing the first draft until next week. The only thing I want you to do this week is the interview and the preliminary exercises in your book. The purpose is interviewing people can be an excellent way of finding out information in order to better understand aspects about the career world. For this assignment, you will find a professional who is in your major or potential career and interview them. After the interview, you will write an essay which will interweave observations, paraphrases, phrases, and quotes into the paper. Ultimately, you will write an essay about different aspects about the professional's career and how that fits into what you want to do in your own career. You will want to include some type of visual portraying either the career or the individual. The goal is for you to learn new aspects about a career. You will have to take a picture of the person that you interview or the place in which you interview, and that will not be needed until you do your final paper. Your audience is obviously me. The planning tips: brainstorm individuals you could interview in your proposed career. Career individuals, professors, students. You only have to interview one person, but interviewing more than one person will make your story even richer. Compose a list of interview questions. This is what you'll be doing this week for your individual or your specific individual. Share your classmates. You can do this, but you don't necessarily have to. Remember to ask open-ended questions, and I've also included some links in the writing unit part, or the writing units for this week, in which you can go and learn a little bit more about how to interview. Okay? So that's it for this week. I will try to get back your papers. I've corrected one today, and I'll start correcting a few more in the next couple of days. If you have any more questions, you're going to have to go ahead and email me those questions. And I'm sorry about last week and what happened with everything. It was a little bit confusing. Hopefully this week it will not be as confusing. I also put down, if you go back to here, I put down exactly what is needed or what you need to submit, the bottom line, or what exactly do you need to turn in. Invention questions, interview questions and answers, and journal. And I should have included the blog too. But I'll add that in a minute. But those are the only 4 things you need to do for this week. And have a good week. And look in your email boxes later this week for your paper. All right.